Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we will be visualizing our audio file with the help of Python. So here you can see I am right now in my Colab notebook. If you don't know what Colab notebook is, you can comment down in the comment section. I will reply you. I will provide the path to this particular website. So in my Colab notebook, I have one music file which is music.wav file. So this is a wave file. So for this particular tutorial, we will be requiring the .wav file. There are different converters on the internet available which we can convert your mp3 file to the .wav file. So we will gonna convert this particular .wav file into this graphical representation of this particular wave file. So here you can see it is more reliable to see what is there in your audio file. So let's see how we can generate this particular graph with the help of our music file. So first thing, we will be doing this in the Python. So first we have to add the necessary import. So let me write add necessary, add imports. So the first thing we need is we have to add the Matplotlib. So Matplotlib is a basic library which we will be using in this tutorial. So we will be using matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. Then we have to import numpy module. We have already worked with numpy module. After importing numpy module, we have to import the wave module. So I'm importing the wave module. So this particular wave module is used to retrieve the audio. We can add the audio into this particular scripts. So after adding your imports, you have to click on this play button. So it will execute your code. So you can see our code is successfully executed. So let's move further. Then you have to load the audio file. Let's load audio file. So for loading the audio file, we will use this particular wave library. So we have to start with defining audio file. I just define the audio file equal to wave. There is one function wave.open. So it will open your particular file, and in this particular function we have to provide the file path and one argument which is rb. So for the file path, I have to provide the file path of this particular audio file. So I'm just right clicking it and I'm just copying the path from here. I'm just pasting. So you can see we have loaded our audio file. Then we have to convert this audio file into those signals. So with the help of numpy. So basically what it is doing is, with the help of numpy, you are converting this audio file into numpy arrays. So let's use from buffer function. From the numpy takes your audio file, and after taking your audio file, it read frames. So it will read the frames one by one from your audio file and then convert it to the numpy arrays. So dot int 16, you can see it is converting into int 16 arrays. So in this particular section we have loaded the audio file. Let's run. We load the audio file and convert our audio file into numpy arrays. So let's move further. Now we will be using Matplotlib to print the particular graph. So I will write here plot the audio signal. So we have converted this particular audio into numpy arrays. So from that numpy arrays we will create the graph. nothing but the visualization. So I am using matplotlib dot figure. So first I'm stating the figure size. So fixed size I will be choosing as 10,4. So it will be 10,4 size of figure. Then second thing you wanna mention is plot. So plt dot plot function, so it will plot your graph. I am plotting signal. So signal, and I have to pass the color. So signal comma color, I'm passing color as a B. Then the third thing is X label, plt dot X label. So it will give you the x-axis label. So it is we will be using as a sample. So and for plt dot y label we will be using amplitude. Okay, after printing the x level and y level, we want to print the title for this particular graph. So title, plt dot title, and the title will be audio signal. And after printing the title, we have to show. So for that we have one function, is show function. So this is how you can, oh, I just made a spelling mistake here. It's not a single, it's signal, GNA. Sorry for that. Now it's okay. I'm just again executing the above step. So now if I execute this particular step, it will show you the graph. Oh, there is a invalid syntax, I think. Oh yeah, one equal to is missing. Yeah, X label, it's correct, only don't know why it is showing the error. Pyplot dot figure fixed size is equal to 10,4. Pyplot signal dot color is equal to B. plt dot xlable. Oh, my spelling is mistake. Don't make this spelling mistake, guys. So when I execute this particular script, it will show you this beautiful graph for this music file. So this is how you will convert your audio file into this beautiful graph, or this is a visualization of this particular audio file. So if you like this particular video, like, share and subscribe to the channel for more this type of videos. In future I will be bringing more videos on the audio preprocessing. If you want this particular code, the link is in description. From that link you can download this particular code. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the further videos. Bye.